Well, something completely different. This is the Stuart Sirius. Designed initially as a powerful boat engine, but it's quite a unique engine. Inside you've got a twin cylinder. It's twin cylinders and a valve. This is the valve gear at the top. I've seen these online in photos before, but I never really realised how big they are. And to put it in, context, this is the double T. I know it's on the, but it's taller than the double T. And there's the S50. So that Sirius is quite a lump. It's quite a. It says on the website that it weighs 6.5 pounds in imperial. So that's about 3 kilos. That's quite a lot. This one's a particularly nice one. I think it's been a shelf queen. It's mounted on a base. But you've got your two. Everything works. You've got your two condensation, release. You've got your steam oiler. It's got a dipstick. It's got a sump with oil in it. That's a breather. I think that's a breather. Sump breather. Now the reason this base is raised is the bottom of the crankshaft has got paddles on it, and the paddles flick the oil to keep it circulated. I know during World War II, these engines were attached to a generator, and these used to power generators. I would imagine it would be steam then running them. But yeah, I'm not exactly sure what ran them, but this is what they had. This is the engine that ran the, I think it's called an Alto. I'll put a name up when I look at it a bit better. But it's quite a lump. Now, I've got it connected up to an airline. I'll give it a go. It runs on low pressure, but it's whistling at the moment. A bit more. Powerful engine. It's a powerful engine. It's got a takeoff here, so it's going to power something. But I think that would be connected to a shaft or a propeller. Yeah, the information says that it's made to run at 2,800 revs. That's quite high revs, but it's got bearings at either end of the crank. Very well made and thought about machine. But yeah, it definitely is bigger than what I thought. So in there you've got two little pistons going up and down like a little motorbike. I haven't connected it up to steam, but yeah, I definitely think it's been a shelf queen. It's on a nice oak base. I mean, I can't see why they would put that on the shelf, but it's a powerful engine. Yeah, and this is the valve gear at the top. It's very unusual, but yeah, it runs great. It's very powerful. But yeah, so your crankshaft's in there with two paddles on, and this is your oil. You've got a drain there. and dipstick there, crankcase breather. Yeah, very nice engine, very nice engine. Definitely unusual, not something I've come across before. I did have a Sun engine before this, and I was surprised how much bigger this is than the Sun engine. But this is just a quick little video, just something different. I know there's a good following for Stuart Turner engines, and this is definitely one of the more unusual ones, and it's a superb condition. And you can buy them, I think you could buy them fully built or as a kit. Yeah, I would imagine this was built, someone's bought a kit, built it, mounted it on a base and left it at that. But they got the timing right. Unless it's one of them ones where you don't really adjust the timing. There's a shaft that runs through here. On the bottom there's a gear which runs off the crankshaft. So perhaps, well, yeah, there would be a timing on your gear teeth. But yeah, just a short one, guys. Something different. Stuart Turner Sirius, big powerful engine. Very surprised on that one. I'll leave it there, guys, and I'll catch you again soon. Cheers.